Confused with life, getting stuck at every new turn that comes your way. Sometimes I feel, yes, I am made for this. And suddenly, my thoughts take a different direction, pulling me towards something new. This is what confusion feels like. When you are not sure about yourself and the true purpose of life, every new idea feels like a new responsibility. Every thought starts feeling like it belongs to you, especially when you are surrounded by people from different backgrounds, different profession, and different mindset. You begin chasing many dreams at the same time. You believe you are running on the track of success. You tell yourself, one day I will surely succeed. But what you fail to realize is this: you may be running towards success, but every unnecessary turn is making the journey tougher. Sometimes you are just half a mile away from your destination, yet confusion appears like a challenge and pushes you further away from your goal. You keep facing the same problems over and over again. You lose focus at work, you struggle in relationship, you start questioning about everything. At that moment, you don't need motivation, you need direction. You need someone who can guide you, a mentor, a teacher, someone who has already walked this path, someone who can tell you when to move forward, when to pause, when to change direction using their experience. When such a person assures you, yes, you are on the right track, stay consistent. Don't panic, don't lose control. That one assurance changes everything. It builds confidence, it strengthens belief, it gives you the courage to struggle harder and face the hustle without fear. Confusion is nothing but indecisiveness. You know what needs to be done, but you don't know how to do it. Your thoughts overpower your action. Ideas keep spinning in your mind, but execution never begins. You start believing you are good at everything, yet you cannot identify your true interest or passion. It feels like roaming endlessly in search of your dream, knowing it exists but unable to recognize it. This creates a sense of hopelessness, too many ideas, too many options, and not enough clarity to choose one. Confusion blocks your ability to make decisions, and without decision, you cannot reach your destination. Every person experiences confusion in their life. Some confront it and move ahead. Many get trapped in it. We all believe we are on the right track, but after walking a long distance, we realize we were mistaken. This happens when fear, doubt, disbelief, indecisiveness, and overconfidence take control of your thinking. There comes a moment when you find yourself on a path that leads to a dead end. You don't know what to do except consider giving up. You feel stuck, as if you are sitting in a dark room with no light, no plan, no guidance, no rescue. You struggle to find a way out, but every attempt feels useless. This situation arises for one major reason: the absence of a mentor in life. A teacher is not someone who removes your struggles, but it is someone who guides you when the struggle becomes unbearable. When a small problems start feeling bigger than they actually are. When you feel like surrendering, a mentor brings clarity through experience. The moment you hold the hand of your teacher, their knowledge pulls you out of that dark phase. Slowly confusion fades, direction becomes clear, and the problems that once forced you to quit begins to disappear. Now you stop getting distracted, you stop walking on the wrong path, you start walking with certainty. You get up at 4 in the morning to prepare for a sprint race. You wake up daily at this time, but one day you feel like skipping practice. You tell yourself, I don't need this anymore. But then clarity hits you. Waking up early is not for one race, it is not for one goal, it is a discipline, a habit, a lifelong commitment. Consistency removes confusion. A student clears senior school and dreams of becoming a doctor. Later, learning about the perks of an IT engineer creates confusion. But when the student identifies true passion and interest, clarity replaces confusion and the right decision is made. A manager working in a reputed company meets a college friend at a reunion. The friend talks about success in the aviation industry. Family and friends start suggesting a career change, but the manager stays focused, trusts his skills, and continues in his own field. Years later, he rises higher not because the other field was wrong, but because everyone has different abilities. Success is not about copying others, it is about mastering yourself. A coder receives a project with a tight deadline. A colleague finishes earlier, creating self-doubt in the coder. Confusion sets in, comparison begins, then comes realization. Comparison kills confidence. You remind yourself, compete with others, but never compare journeys. Confusion visits everyone. Small difficulties can create panic, but confusion loses power when you have guidance. Life isn't as hard as it looks. Without a mentor, it feels overwhelmed. The experience of a teacher lights the path. They take you out of the dark room and lead you towards clarity and focus. Confusion will come, struggle will remain, but with the right guidance, you will always find your way.